So you want to delete all your contacts on your iPhone quickly? So here's the two easiest ways to remove every contacts from your iPhone 17 Pro Max in seconds. So let's see how. So first you have to open up your contacts app. You will see all your saved contacts here. Now you have to using two fingers like this way. Swipe down to select all the contacts at once. And when you reach the last contact, tap and hold on it and you will see the delete contacts option. Confirm it and boom, all your contacts are gone instantly. Now from the second method, if your iCloud contacts are syncing, just go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, then iCloud. And now from here, you will find your contacts. And if it's turned on, turn it off and you will see the option delete from my iPhone. Just tap it and all your contacts will be deleted at once. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.